Picture this. You walk into a party, spot a basket of cookies so perfectly wrapped, they scream fancy bakery, and instantly everyone's impressed. Now, what if I told you that you could be the cookie magician behind that magic? Whether it's for a birthday, Valentine's, or one of those, oops, I baked way too much again days, I've got you covered. This trick is quick, hygienic, and will make you look like a cookie boss. Let's jump in. Here's the thing. Cookies are awesome, but communal cookie boxes? Not so much. The thought of everyone's hands rummaging through one box? Nope, not happening. That's why I started individually packaging each cookie in self-sealing clear bags. Not only does it keep them fresh, but it also gives. I bought these at a bakery vibes. Trust me, it's a win-win. Okay, so here's what you need. Clear, self-sealing bags in different sizes. I'll link the ones I use below. Freshly baked cookies, and a container to hold all your little masterpieces. I personally keep all sizes on hand for cookie emergencies because, let's be real, they happen. For example, when I whip up my famous gingerbread man sandwiches filled with irresistibly creamy eggnog frosting, I need a larger bag to fit those beauties. That's it, no fancy tools, just you, some bags, and a pile of cookies. Now, this part is so easy. You might laugh. Grab a cookie, pop it in a bag, and seal it up like it's a secret treasure. Done. The best part? This works like magic for cookies with chocolate designs or delicate decorations, like the panda face cookies I made for my daughter's birthday. Yes, panda faces. They're adorable, and honestly, almost too cute to eat. Almost. Packaging them individually keeps everything neat, mess-free, and preserves the irresistible charm of each cookie. Since they're decorated with chocolate icing and chocolate is heat sensitive, individually wrapping them is a smart way to keep them looking and tasting their best. Trust me, people will think you've got a side hustle as a pro baker. I recommend individually packaging cookies that are dipped in chocolate or decorated with chocolate. Chocolate is heat sensitive, and stacking these cookies can lead to sticky, smushed disasters. Think chocolatey chaos no one signed up for. With individual wrapping, each cookie stays intact, like a little edible masterpiece, ready to impress and delight. And let's talk about those cookies with strong flavors, like peppermint, the ones that can take over a room. Individually wrapping them keeps those bold flavors from crashing the party and mingling with others. It's the ultimate hack for preserving delicate or aromatic treats, ensuring each cookie keeps its charm and doesn't turn your gift box into a flavor battleground. Here's where the fun really starts. Once your cookies are packaged, arrange them in a cute basket or box. Trust me, this step is where you make people go, wow, did you buy these? They look professional, they're easy to grab, and you won't have to worry about hygiene. Bonus points if you add a festive bow or ribbon. Instant gift perfection. And there you have it. Cookie gifting made easy and fabulous. Seriously, give this method a try and let me know how it works out for you. I've linked my go-to supplies and some favorite cookie recipes below. Oh, and here's a little teaser. In my next video, I'll show you how to perfectly package a variety of cookies into one gorgeous gift box. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Happy gifting, and I'll catch you in my next video.